Welcome back to Food Factory, your go-to channel for uncovering how the world's most iconic snacks are created. Today, we're diving into one of the most beloved treats on the planet, the legendary Kit Kat. You may know it for its crisp, chocolatey layers, and that satisfying snap. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it's actually made? Stick with us till the end as we take you through the detailed process of how Kit Kat bars are created in high-tech factories, where precision, speed, and taste come together to make over 8 million bars a day. Step 1. The origins. Cocoa farming. The journey begins in tropical regions of Africa, primarily Ivory Coast and Ghana, where cocoa is grown. Farmers carefully harvest ripe cocoa pods using machetes. Each pod contains around 40 cocoa beans, which are scooped out and laid under banana leaves to ferment for several days. This step is crucial because it helps develop the beans' rich chocolatey flavor. Once fermented, the beans are dried under sunlight for about a week before being packed and shipped across continents to massive chocolate production factories. Step 2. Sorting, cleaning, and roasting. When the beans arrive at the factory, they undergo intense sorting. Any beans that don't meet size, color, or aroma standards are removed. Next comes a cleaning phase, where machines use vibrations, air jets, and magnets to eliminate debris, stones, or metallic particles. Then, it's time for roasting. The beans are roasted in large rotating drums at temperatures around 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This step brings out that deep signature chocolate aroma. After roasting, the outer shells are cracked and removed, leaving behind the cocoa nibs. Step 3. Grinding and mixing ingredients. The cocoa nibs are ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. This liquor contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. It's then pressed to separate the cocoa butter, and the remaining solid matter is ground into cocoa powder. Now, to make Kit Kat's chocolate, cocoa powder is blended with ingredients like milk powder, sugar, emulsifiers, and extra cocoa butter. Nestle guards the exact ratios as a trade secret, but this unique blend gives Kit Kat its unmistakable taste. Step 4. Conking, the texture maker. During conking, the chocolate blend is placed into a specialized machine that stirs and grinds it for hours. This process helps break down solid particles, making the chocolate incredibly smooth. Conking isn't just about texture. It also improves flavor and removes any unwanted bitterness or acidic tones. Depending on the batch size and chocolate type, conking may continue for several hours to even a full day. The longer the process, the richer and silkier the chocolate becomes. This step ensures Kit Kat's chocolate coating melts beautifully in your mouth, giving that premium velvety feel you expect with every bite. Step 5. Tempering. For shine and snap, tempering is a critical step that ensures Kit Kat's chocolate looks as good as it tastes. During this process, the chocolate is carefully heated, cooled, and reheated to stabilize cocoa butter crystals. This makes the chocolate glossy, gives it a smooth texture, and creates that iconic snap when you break it. If not tempered correctly, chocolate can appear dull or develop a white film called bloom, caused by unstable fat crystals rising to the surface. This not only affects appearance, but also the texture and shelf life. Thanks to tempering, Kit Kat bars achieve that professional finish, shiny, crisp, and irresistibly smooth. It's one of the reasons you enjoy that perfect bite every single time. Step 6. Wafer production. Let's shift focus to the crunch inside, the wafers. The dough for the wafers is made by mixing flour, water, sugar, vegetable oil, and a leavening agent that makes the wafers light and crispy. The batter is poured into mold plates that are baked under high heat for about 30 seconds. After baking, the wafer sheets are cooled, cut to size, and layered with chocolate cream in between. This filling is made using crushed Kit Kat rejects to minimize waste and enhance flavor. Each Kit Kat has multiple layers of wafer and filling, stacked precisely by automated machinery. Step 7. Chocolate. Coating. The layer wafers now move on a conveyor belt to the enrobing area, where they are coated with the tempered chocolate. The chocolate is poured over the wafers using nozzles ensuring a consistent layer on every bar dot. Sometimes the bars go through a vibrating tunnel to remove air bubbles and ensure the coating is smooth and even. Step 8. Cooling and cutting after. Coating, the bars travel through a cooling tunnel to set the chocolate. The temperature inside is carefully controlled to prevent melting or condensation. Once solidified, the bars are cut into smaller fingers. Each standard Kit Kat has either 2 or 4 fingers, depending on the market. High-speed blades cut the bars perfectly in one swift motion. Step 9. Packaging and wrapping. Now comes the final stage. Packaging. Robots grab each Kit Kat and wrap it in foil and its classic red wrapper. Advanced machinery performs this at lightning speed, hundreds of bars per minute. The wrapped bars are inspected one last time before being boxed and sent to distribution centers around the world. These quality checks ensure every bar meets Nestle's high standards. Marketing. Genius. The slogan, you've probably heard the iconic slogan, "Have a break, have a Kit Kat." This simple but effective phrase has been around since 1958 and is still one of the most recognized marketing lines globally. It cleverly ties into the product itself, a breakable bar that literally invites you to take a break. This branding helped turn Kit Kat from just a chocolate bar into a cultural symbol of pause and indulgence. Waste not, want not. Sustainability. Measures 1. Lesser-known fact is how efficient Kit Kat factories are. Any chocolate waste, broken wafers, or imperfect bars are ground down and reused in fillings. This not only minimizes food waste, but also enhances sustainability. Factories are also increasingly using renewable energy sources and reducing water usage to make the production process more eco-friendly. Global reach. Kit Kat isn't just a snack. It's a global phenomenon. While the original flavor is iconic, Kit Kat is also known for its regional variations. In Japan, you'll find green tea, wasabi, and even red bean Kit Kats. In the UK, you might find orange or mint versions. These variations are made in local factories, each using similar process but with tailored ingredients for regional taste. Fun fact, the Kit Kat bar that survived space in 2011, a group of students in the UK attached a Kit Kat bar to a weather balloon and launched it into the upper atmosphere. The bar reached heights of over 100,000 feet before safely parachuting back to Earth. Now that's a bar that really took a break in style. Final quality checks before the bars leave the factory. Each batch undergoes one final round of quality control. Infrared sensors and visual inspection systems check for cracks, missing layers, or packaging defects. Only bars that meet every standard are shipped out. The rest are repurposed or recycled. And there you have it. From African cocoa farms to the high-speed packaging machines, that little Kit Kat in your hand went through a long and intricate journey. It's not just a chocolate bar, it's a marvel of engineering, agriculture, and creativity. If you enjoyed watching this and want to explore the fascinating processes behind other famous foods, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Food Factory, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a delicious upload. Until next time, take a break and enjoy a Kit Kat now that you know exactly how it's made.